I'm young Adlina, but everyone calls me Elin. I'm an instructor in Westgate Studio, and come, let's get close with me. I'm a dietetic graduate trained in medical nutrition therapy and creating menu plannings for patients. However, I love baking and Japanese desserts so much that when I came across with ABC Cooking Studio in Malaysia, I applied directly for the job. Due to personal reasons, I moved to Singapore and I continue to teach as an instructor at Westgate Studio because I really enjoy working as one ever since from Malaysia. Coming from a non-F&B and sales background, my manager will share with me a guideline to make sure that I understand my job scope well. My colleagues are also willing to share their tips with me whenever I consult them about areas of improvement for my lessons. Take this chance to color up your life by joining us at ABC Cooking Studio as an instructor. See you!